Hi guys, how are you all doing? Kumusta kayong lahat? Well, as you can see, I'm not okay because it is only now that I am realizing the gravity of what I did on social media the other day. I'm coming out with this video not to gain back your sympathy, but I really think this is the most Christian thing to do. The past 24 hours talaga has left me bewildered about my actions, about our candidate Chelsea Manalo, and it really pains me that it has come to this. Chelsea, I'm really sorry about what I said about you. It was never really my intention to really hurt your feelings, nor your teams. Kasi you've worked so hard to be where you are right now. And it's really painful that I am pictured as someone who's belittling all your efforts since day one. When I made that, when I answer, just to give you a context, when I answered that question in a live chat session with my followers on my YouTube account the day after finals, I simply responded directly to the question I was asked. Who do you think should have represented us instead, or who do you want to see representing us next year? I can't remember the exact same question. So, ayun, nagsalita po ako ng dire-diretso na, nako, siguro, since Barbie looking po si Miss Denmark, siguro ang hinahanap nila si ganito, ganyan. When I realize now, I should have been more diplomatic and tactful with my choice of words. It is only now that I am realizing the impact of my words to you, to your team, and everyone else. There's no excuse in what I did. Pero what really pains me lang talaga is when people say na I am plastic to you, I have been two-faced to you all this time, when in fact talaga kung ano yung pinakita ko sa'yo since day one, ganun talaga yung enthusiasm ko. It's just that everything just changed after the preliminary performance. However, given that hindi pa rin talaga tama yung sinabi ko, and I would really like to apologize to you, to Sir Manny, most especially, who has shown nothing but kindness to me ever since I met him. To Attorney Ron, lalo na kay Mama J, kay Sir Voltaire, and everyone who comes from MUP, you guys have shown nothing but kindness to me ever since day one, and I really feel bad. This is how I am repaying you all. Hindi ko talaga alam how I will still make up for this. As it is, I have no more excuse, but all I want to say is I'm really sorry. I want to seek for all your forgiveness. Alam ko masama pa loob nyo sa akin, and that's understandable. Kahit hindi nyo na ako pansinin habang buhay, okay lang talaga. But I just want to really say sorry because I hurt all your feelings, and it was never my intention to do so. I should have been more careful with my choice of words. It's only now I am realizing that. I don't know kung kailan ako matututo, kailan ako I will keep making mistakes. Pero rest assured, pag nagkamali ako, I would always want to be corrected. I am willing to subject myself to rebuke, correction, and other forms of things na parang will allow me to grow as a person. This is not how I wanted to end my Miss Universe coverage here in Mexico City. Pero please, from the bottom of my heart, accept my deepest apology. Hindi ko talaga kayo gustong saktan. I will accept all the consequences of my actions. Most especially to Sir Louis Heredia, who has really believed in me since day one. I'm grateful for people like him who really check out, who really have the best interest in my heart. And sana, after this, ito na talaga yung last mistake ko talaga, because ayoko makasakit talaga ng damdamin ng tao. I came here in this pageantry wanting to share my passion and not alienating anyone in the process. But as it turns out, it's turning out the way it is. I am shunning people by the day. I am slowly shunning people by the day, and nalulungkot ako na parang sometimes I could no longer check on myself. So I'm really sorry from the deepest of my heart. I'm really sorry, Chelsea, Sir Manny, Tita, Attorney Ron, Sir Mama J, Sir Voltaire, and everyone in the Miss Universe Philippines organization and the fans. I'm really sorry po talaga. Sana matutunan niyo pa rin akong patawarin ako. Sana mag-improve, sana matuto na talaga ako sa pagkakamali ko. I'm submitting myself talaga to all of you with a humble heart. Para wala po akong pinagmamayabang sa inyo. Nakikita ko na ho yung mistake ko. I'm really sorry. Please accept my apology. Wala ho, maling-mali ho talaga ako. I offer no more excuses. Sana mapatawad niyo pa ako. Maraming salamat.
Yan ang mga karag-karag, narinig nyo na ang public apology ni Adam G sa team ni Chelsea Manalo, sa Miss Universe Philippines Organization at kay Chelsea Manalo at sa kanya mga followers at mga fans sa social media. So, sinabi ko na kahapon sa vlog ko mga karag-karag na ito talaga yung magandang gawin ni Adam G na mag-public apology siya para magkaayos sila at manumbalik yung friendship galore nila, di ba? Para ano ba, sayang din kasi yung pinagsamahan nila mga karag-karag na masira lang sa isang pagkakamali, di ba? So, alam natin na hindi na mabalik yung dati at malalim nilang pinagsamahan kung meron man, di ba? At least maging maayos at maging civil sila sa darating na mga pa-event sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025 at sa mga pa-ibang pa-national pageant. Kasi sila rin naman yung matatawag nito, nasa sirkulasyon lang sila ng pageantry. So, nakikita-kita sila, kaya good job, Sir Adam. And yan ang mga karag-karag, yung magiging reaction nyo na nag-public apology na si Adam G. At yung pagkakamali niya, inaccept niya yun. So, and thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Kung bakit ganito yung hitsura ko ngayon mga karag-karag na Hagardo versus sa Sipuragan, nandito na naman ako sa Provincial Hospital dito sa Dao, Pagadian City. Kasi dinala ko na naman yung father ko kasi nga gidanlock in town si Papa. So, nung isang araw nandun ako sa Margos, doon naman sa pamangkin ko, 3 araw na akong walang tulog. So, laban na laban pa rin yung minupusal. Ito talaga yung distraction. Look, diha na mo, bye-bye.